I have all the parts here of this ancient Egyptian stool, so nothing's glued. I haven't glued the top yet, but it's ready. So I'll probably today take this apart and glue it up. And then after this is glued up, it goes on. Then I gotta glue up this thing and glue the top on here, and that's gonna be the scariest thing to do, because there's all these spindles and the legs and everything to get in here. So I'll just see how far I can get here with a test assembly. And first I'll get the legs started in, and then I'll try to make sure that the spindles are in their proper location. Let me drop that down into the socket. That's dropped down into the socket. So let me try to get these spindles started. That was in. This one needs to be in. There. So I've got that end in. This end is in. Let's see what I've got over here. Nothing's down here. So let me get that started. That's started, and then that can come down. Oops, did I lose it? No, I didn't lose that. So let me go to this view. It's an interesting construction that the Egyptians came up with here. It's been fun to develop the design and to get all these parts worked out. And it's nice to have it close now. The original was painted white, and that's what I plan to do as well with milk paint. Now, can I get this down a little bit? What's holding this off? There it is. Okay, so now I've got, these are all in, these are all in. These are in, these are in, so that can all go down, final position, and the original looked like it had pinned mortise and tenon joints, so that's what I'm doing to pin these. I've pinned the tenon joints down here in the lower structures, and this needs to be closed up. These are ebony, 1/4 inch ebony. So that'll be the last thing I pound in after the glue up. There it is. It'll make a sturdy seat, that's for sure. with all these diagonal bracing, it really makes a tough stool.